of the ways that teachers are empowered and the achievement can be better gained from students is if I have a certain thing I'm going to teach. I'm going to teach you sounds. I'm going to teach you sounds over time. That I have a certain routine that I use for introducing those sounds. So it might be very simple where I say the sound, then we say the sound, then you say the sound, then we practice it with other letters. But the next time I have a sound introduced, I'm doing it the same way. I say the sound, and we say the sound, then you say the sound, then we practice with other letters. Now, the benefit of this, and that's an example from like primary grades, but even if I'm teaching middle school, maybe I'm a middle school social studies teacher, and I have to teach vocabulary every week. And I have a routine, and I write the word down, I introduce the word, and the students put it in their log, and then I introduce a student-friendly explanation, and they put it in their log, and then I give them lots of examples of it, and then I check their understanding by asking them questions. And every time I introduce words, I'm using the same steps. And the benefit is, number one, to the teacher. They get that down. It's empowering to them because they can use it with some automaticity and some seamless flow. So they are definitely empowered. But the students are also empowered because they don't have to keep thinking, what's the teacher doing here? Go back to that secondary example. The kids know after the word's going to be introduced, we're going to write it in our log. After the definition has been introduced, we're going to put it in our own words. Then the teacher's going to give us examples, ask us questions, so that students are so familiar with the way it's proceeding, they can put all of their thoughtfulness on the content rather than on the task. So that's where we want their thoughts to be. So basically, teachers and students benefit. Now, the kids, some students probably could thrive even without it. But students that are at risk, Tier 2, Tier 3, students really benefit from instructional routines because then they are more confident, they know what they're doing, and so they're more likely to be able to participate fully.